but ultimately devoid of substance. True allure lies not only in the outward appearance, but in the privilege of occupying. Good evening, Pila, Laguna. This is Miss Maria Amaya Melendres. 21 years old, came all the way from the municipality of Calayan, province of Laguna. Yes, ako nga po. Ang nag-iisang SK at estudyante sa umaga, puntisera sa gabi. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name of a girl who strongly believes that we, women, we are a tower of strength, a pillar of hope, and a champion of purpose. Bakit hindi niyo po subukang palakpakan at hiyawan Miss Earth Air, Ileana Marie Aduana. Ileana Marie Aduana na nagsasabi, life is beautiful. I am life, therefore I am beautiful. By the way, tonight I am wearing this very festive costume. Festive is the key. The Ebon Festival, all the way from Tacloban, Pampanga. Thank you.
People of Barangay Lingahay! Ang hina naman, hi! Hello! Distinguished panel, board of educators, good evening ma'am, good evening sir. Kailanman, hindi po ako papaka-girl in tonight's video. Because I always believe it doesn't matter how big your boobs are or how big your hips are. What is most important is you will be able to represent the LGBT community with dignity and respect. Good evening, people of Linga Hep Hep! Ang hina naman Hep Hep! Ladies and gentlemen, I mean students sa advokasya ng LGBT tiwala. Nanindigan sa aming karapatan. Kung kaya't ngayong gabi, walang isusumpang mamamatay. Lalong walang isusumpang masusunugan ang bahay. Dahil ang tangi lamang po namin hiling ay ang inyong masigabong palakpakan. Thank you so much. Nanggaling pa po ako sa malayong lugar ng Capiz, Aklan. Ang nanay ko ay isang mangkukulam. At ang tatay ko po ay isang mambabarang. Pasintabing lamang po sa isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu, 11, 12 mga hurado. Konting pagkakamali po ay iwasan. Dahil siguradong lulusubin kayo ng aking mga kinakapatid na aswang na nandyan sa aking likuran. Joke lang yun, no? At sa mga tabulators, make sure na ako po yung number 1 dahil sigurado lalambunin kayo ng aming mga makeup artist na puro mga tikbalan. Joke lamang po, pinapasaya ko lamang po ang inyong gabi. Diyos, marahay na banggi sa inyong gabosers, should I say what a glamorous and spectacular evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Miss Maria Sofia Alcantara. I'm proud to say that I am 33 years old. I'm an AB Mass Communication graduate from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City. I am humbly saying that I graduated elementary and high school as a valedictorian and graduated college as a magna cum laude. Thank you so much. Hindi ko po ipinagmamayabang ano man ang antas ng estado na natin ko sa buhay. Dahil lagi po nating pakakatandaan sa mga batang manonood na ang karunungan, ang kayamanang hindi maaagaw ni naman. Sala naman sa pera o sa pamumuhay, ngunit sa pagmamahal at karunungan, mayaman ka bilang isang tagabila. Ladies and gentlemen, nasa inyong pong harapan, ang babaeng minsan na lang tadyakan ninyo, sampalin at gustong-gustong sabunutan sa kadelang ito. Ako po ang nanay ng impactang si Marga. Ang babaeng nag-trending sa kalsada, hila-hila ang pulang maleta. Ako po ang matatapos na lang ang teleserye, masusunog pa ang mukha. I am binibining Daniela, Miss Dimples Romana. Dimples Romana na nag-iiwan ng hindi bastos o nakakatuwang kasabihan dahil ano man po ang mamutawi sa bibig namin matatanda, tiyak tutularan at gagayahin ng mga bata. When we say national costume, it is not how big, how glamorous, glittery your costume is. That is how we give pride, justice within the costume you are wearing. Ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan, wala sa laki, wala sa ganda. Dahil ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan ay ang matiyak na ipinaglalaban. Wearing the national costume which represent the national vehicle of the Republic of the Philippines. Sabi nga nila, bip, 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 ang sabi ng cheer. Di ba tapos? Sandali lang. Bilang isang taga-malayong lugar, mula sa malayong lugar ng Antipolo Province of Rizal, sabi nga po nila, bakit sa Laguna iilan ang kandidata? Dahil luto ang laban, may pinapaligan, ngunit ngayong gabi, sa isip at intelihente ng mga hurado, tiyak tingin ko, patas ang magiging laban. Good evening.
Joke lamang po iyon. Dito sa ating mundong kinagalawan, kailanman, hindi naging pamantayan kung anong uri o antas ng estado ng pamumuhay ang meron ka. Lalong-lalong hindi pamantayan kung gaano ka man kapangit o kung gaano ka man kaganda. Hindi ka man binigyan ng pisikal na kaanyuan, huwag kang mamahala aking kaibigan. Dahil ang tunay na timbangan ng Diyos dito sa ating mundong ginagalawan ay kung ano ang nagagawa mong kabutihan. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is MJ De Lima, and I am all the way from the province of Laguna, from the Quezon Puti Festival of Laguna, Municipality of Santa Cruz, Probinsya po ng Laguna. I am taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Laguna State Polytechnic University. I am proud to be a Laguna Gay Queen. Ladies and gentlemen, ngayong pong gabi, hayaan niyo po ako maging isang reyna, maging asawa, ang nag-iisang Diyosa. Hayaan niyo pong palakpakan at gayahin ko ang mukha na nag-iisang asawa ni Mr. Cheese Escudero. Bakit hindi po natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyawan si Mrs. Mart Evangelista Escudero? Salamat po. At bago ko po lisanin ang apat na sulok ng entabladong ito, nais ko po munang mag-iwan ng isang katotohanan na bakla, bading, Becky o charing-charing, ano man pong lait, ang itawag nyo sa amin. Amin po ang gabing ito. Dahil mula rito, hanggang dulo, magsisilbing tagahanga lang namin kayo. Ladies and gentlemen, I am wearing a simple costume inspired from Panagdana Festival. Hindi po yan sa laki, hindi rin po yan sa ganda. Ito ay kung paano mo dalhin ang iyong pinagmamalaking kasuotan. Ladies and gentlemen, I am candidate number 4. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you so much.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po malakas na hiyawan dyan. Maraming salamat po. Distinguished panel, pageant players, professional individuals watching this competition. Many has been part of history, but only a few can bend history itself. On this night of spectacle and this public display, we transgenders can bend history, and that will forever be our story. Hi, pleasant evening to each and everyone. Standing in front of you is AJ Albay, 21 years of age, hailing from the Quezon Puti Festival of Laguna, Santa Cruz, Arriba, Cabecera. I am a graduate at Laguna State Polytechnic University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Biology, major in Animal Biology, and I am proud to say that I am the first trans woman who graduated as cum laude. I am also your Anilags Laguna Gay Queen 2023 title holder. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the name, ang babaeng minsan ang nagsabi ng mga katagang, black is out and gold is in. And just like gold, I am indestructible. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am your one and only Miss Ma Salvador. Ma Salvador na nagsasabi, hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Kasi ikaw, masarap ka na, hindi ka naman mahal. Once again, I am AJ Albay, your candidate number 5. Thank you so much.
Are we talking and speaking about national posture? In line with the celebration of the Flower month of May, allow me to wear this Flores de Mayo costume representing Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, Pilipinas. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, judges. For I care not what they say about the color of my skin or the size of my body, because I always let the brilliant light of my soul blind them. Because I believe that things turn out to be the best to those people who make the best out of the way things turn out.
hope is better than fear. Optimism is always better than despair. Let us all be loving, caring, hopeful, and optimistic, and we can definitely change the world. Hi, hello, mabuhay, Barangay Lingga, Municipality of Pina, Province of Laguna. For the last time, palakpakan! Thank you. My name is Anastasia Luis Asensi. I am all the way from the city of Seven Lakes. Yes, I am from San Pablo City, Province of Laguna. I am very humble to be your Miss Gay 3rd District of Laguna 2016 and your first ever Anilag Festival, Laguna Gay Queen 2017. But tonight, this is not about crowns or title because this is a different battle. So ngayong gabi po, wala tayong gagayahing artista o sikat na personalidad. Dahil naniniwala ako na being true and genuine is the best way to present yourself to this beautiful barangay. Hayaan na lang po ako mag-iwan ng mga katagang ba, baby bobo namin mga bakla. Ba, bakla, badin. Ganyan po kami kung inyong tawagin. Be, benggit, hanggang ulo, kami inyong matatanaw. B, binabago po kami araw-araw ng sobrang sakit na panunukso at pamutya. Ngunit po, bobo at bobo lang po ang naniniwala. Kapag sinabi kong bukas, makalawa, bababa po dito ang Diyos at maghuhusga. Sino nga po ba ang tunay na makasalanan? Sila bang namumutya o kami lamang mga biktima? Barangay Lingga, lagi niyong tatandaan ang mapanlait at ang mahilig manakit. Yun po ang di umaakyat sa langit. Once again, this is your candidate number 6. So enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you very much.
Wala pang namimete, sinigin ng ben. Kung lahat po tayo ay magpapalakpakan! Thank you so much. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. To the honorable panel of judges, good evening. When I came here in Barangay Lingga, Pila, Province of Laguna, and seeing all of the candidates that I'm competing with, I was wondering, how can I stand out? Because yes, I don't have big boobs, big hips, even the perfect face that all of you want. But I remember people call me legend. That is why tonight, allow me to share my humblest triumph. Last 2023, I was crowned as your Binibining Day Pilipinas Universe that was held in Pasig City, Philippines, representing the province of Laguna. And I am also your newly crowned Queen of Tres Barrios 2024 that was held in the 4th District of the province of Laguna. And opo, ako nga po, ang minsan niyo na pong napanood sa Kapuso mo Jessica Soho at sa Rated K bilang estudyante sa umaga, kontesera sa gabi. My real name is Kyla Kagin. I am 24 years old, a proud AB Mass Communication graduate, major in broadcast journalism from one of the finest universities in Manila, from the home of the Tamaraws, Far Eastern University. A proud Dean's Lister for 4 consecutive semesters, and standing in front of you is a legitimate graduate of Magna Cum Laude. Thank you so much. But tonight, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only Empress, ang babaeng sumigaw ng Darna sa ABS-CBN, Miss Jane De Leon. Miss Jane De Leon po, na kailanman hindi po mag-iiwan ng bastos na kasabihan, ngunit isa lamang pong katotohanan. Judges, if you are asking for a festival or a national costume, this is the perfect combination because I represent the Turumba Festival, all the way from the longest religious festival in the Philippines, from the home of our Lady of Sorrow, Sabiren Baguio.